Equipment qualification plays a critical role in making sure GMP relevant equipment is fit for its intended use and able to perform reliably in regulated pharmaceutical environments. It supports the safe, consistent and compliant operation of equipment used across manufacturing and quality-related activities. To help you build knowledge in this important area, we have developed the Equipment Qualification Specialist Career Path. This career path has been designed around 4 key stages of equipment qualification and lifecycle management. Through this path, you will learn about the fundamentals of GMP equipment qualification, how to prepare for qualification activities, how qualification is performed in practice, and how qualified equipment is maintained across its life cycle through activities such as calibration, requalification, and decommissioning. Together, these topics help you build career-relevant knowledge for equipment qualification roles and strengthen your understanding of how equipment is planned, tested, documented, and maintained in regulated pharmaceutical environments. As you progress, you will earn a certificate for each completed course. Once you complete the full set, you will also receive a career path certificate that recognizes your achievement across the entire pathway. Are you ready to begin? Activate your subscription to unlock the full career path and start your first course today.